guys, in this video we will see how to install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu Linux Server 22.04 LTS version. So first go to mysql.com, then click on downloads, then click on MySQL community downloads, then select MySQL community server, then select the version, then select the operating system as Ubuntu Linux, then select the Ubuntu version. We are going to install on Ubuntu Linux 22. Select it. So see, we have to install these packages. Okay. So instead of downloading them, just download this .deb package. So click on this download. Then right click on it. Copy link address. Then go to Ubuntu Linux server. Then paste. Then download it. So use the command wget, then paste that link, then hit enter. See, its size is 485 megabytes. Wait until download completes. I will keep this link in the video description to download the MySQL 8.0.40 bundle tar file. For more MySQL tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. See, download is completed. Type ls. See, here we have the MySQL server 8.0.40 tar file. We have to untar this file. ls. So untar this file. tar -xf. Then give MySQL. Hit enter. It is extracted ls. See, we have extracted all these .debian packages. Okay, so to install MySQL, we have to install all these Debian packages. But before installing them, we have to install the following two packages. I will keep this command in the video description. Hit enter, then provide the password of sudo user. Type A for confirmation and hit enter. We have successfully installed Ctrl L, ls. Now install these packages. Sudo dpkg-i *.deb. So it will install all Debian packages. Hit enter. See, now it is installing MySQL 8.0.40. If you find this video is helpful, please subscribe my channel. Now we have to set the password for root account. So provide the password for the root user. Then hit enter, confirm the same, hit enter. Now if you want strong password encryption, that is recommended, select the first one. Or if you want legacy authentication method, select legacy authentication method by using up and down arrows. It is up to you. Then give the tab and hit enter. See, we have successfully installed Ctrl L. Now verify the status of MySQL, whether it is installed or not. Sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. See, MySQL server is installed and its service is started and its service is enabled. Ctrl L. Now connect to MySQL server. MySQL -u root -p. Hit enter. Then provide the password of this root account that we have set. See, we have installed MySQL server version number 8.0.40. You can also verify the version of the MySQL server. Select version. See, we have installed MySQL server 8.0.40. To verify list of the databases, give the command show databases. See, these are the default databases that comes with MySQL installation. So create a database by using the command create database. Again verify. See, new database is there. Okay, now switch to this database by using the command use, then provide the database. Hit enter. Now verify tables in this database. Show tables. See, we don't have any tables. Okay, let us create a table and insert some data into this table. Now verify again. Insert data into this table. Now verify the data. See, we have inserted these 3 rows. Here we have given star, so it has given all the data. So if you want only particular column values, then you have to give like column names and table name. See, we got the particular column. Now create the user. So users, it won't work. So we have to find the users by using this command. See, these are the list of the users that comes with MySQL instance. Create a user, create user. Now verify again. See, new user is created. Now exit from this MySQL and try to connect with the new user. So command is MySQL -u, then new username, then -p, hit enter, then provide the password that we have given. See, we have successfully connected. Let us verify the current user which we have connected. See, we have connected with the user James. Okay, now try to switch to this new database. See, we are unable to connect to that database because we have granted privileges to connect to this database for the user James. Okay, so exit. Now we will see how to stop, start and restart MySQL on Ubuntu Linux servers. Control-L, sudo systemctl status MySQL. Hit enter. It is started. Sudo. Now stop it. Sudo systemctl stop MySQL. Hit enter. Now verify again. See, MySQL service is stopped. Also try to connect to MySQL server. See, we are unable to connect because MySQL server is stopped. Control-L. Let us start it again. Sudo systemctl just start. Now verify again. See, MySQL server is started 4 seconds ago. Until now we have connected MySQL server by using MySQL client. We can also connect to MySQL server by using dbeaver or MySQL workbench. Control-L, ls. So after installation these files are not required anymore. So to clear the space we have to delete all these files. rm*.deb, hit enter, ls. Still we have the one more file, that is star file. Remove this one also, MySQL, give the tab and hit enter, ls. So in this video we have seen how to download, install and configure MySQL 8.0.40 on Ubuntu server 22.04 LTS version. For more MySQL and Linux tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.